everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna do it a bit differently because first of all we're face to face and talking to you guys, which we normally don't do. We always mainly focus on the tutorial itself. Shanillia said that my tutorials are boring.
Yeah,
so
we should talk like, hi everyone, so today I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna do this.
I want the people to know how to do their baby's hair. That's it, that's all. So, but Shanillia's getting older and she is pressing me and has been pressing me for the last couple of, I think 2 years now, for her to learn how to do her own hair. But I'm a bit of a control freak. Like I said, if you follow us on Instagram, Shanillia is my baby, but her hair is my baby too. And I'm having a hard time letting go of her. I'm having an even harder time letting go of her hair. So I'm taking a step back and I asked Celebrity Hairstylist Kiyah Wright to step in, take my place, and teach Shanillia how to do this amazing braid up. So we partnered up with Kiyah Wright and with Pantene, the Naturals Gold series, specifically for black hair, and Head and Shoulders, the Royal Old series, also specifically for black hair. And we're gonna show you guys how Shanillia does her own wash day now by herself. So let's just watch the video, the tutorial she showed us, and you can watch.
Hey Shanillia, it's Celebrity Stylist Kiyah Wright. I'm all the way from Los Angeles. And first of all, I've watched several videos that you have on your Instagram and I am thoroughly impressed. Your hair is so beautiful. So today I wanted to try to find something that mimicked your hair, wet. So I really want to start with something like super wet, because you know when you're doing textured hair, you gotta have the hair super saturated. And I hear you want to learn how to do a twist out with braids, like a braid twist out and just a twist out. So, I saw your mom do it online, but I want to give you a little secret and give you some tips and show you how to do it yourself.
I like her. I like her energy.
Yeah.
Hair, like I said, you want it to be really wet, because as you know, when you are trying to give yourself some texture, you want that product to be thoroughly saturated down the hair shaft. So it's gonna be all about products. I first want to start with the foundation. We want to have hydrated hair when you are gonna wear it out, and it's just gonna be free, and it's gonna have to last for at least over the course of at least 7 days to sometimes 2 weeks. So start with a good shampoo, a good conditioner. I would even, with hair like yours, I would really focus on just really making sure that conditioner is down the hair shaft and treat those ends, because it's really gonna help you with the tangliness.
Hi everyone, it's Miss Shanillia, and today I'm gonna be washing my own hair. I've never washed my own hair before, so this is gonna be my first time, and I'm super excited. So at first I had box braids, and I had them for a really long time. I had them for like 6 weeks, and that's why I'm gonna be using a hair scrub. This is the scrub I'm gonna be using, and we're just gonna use that for my scalp. Let's get into it. Hi everyone, so I just washed my hair and now I'm going to be twisting my hair, and I'm super excited.
A newbie, I see you get your hair done all the time by everyone else, but I'm going to teach you some little tips on how to do it yourself. I'm going to use this curl pudding because I want something that's going to sort of lock in that curl, and I just spread it out evenly in my hand, and I just sort of finger comb it down the hair shaft, because if the product is not all the way down the hair shaft, it's gonna be really hard to get that curl to set with that really beautiful shine on it. And make sure you're just constantly pulling that product down the end. All right, and don't cheat, go all the way to the ends. I just kind of twirl it around, let it grab that curl pattern, and start again. I mean, and it's so easy. You can literally do this on your whole head. You don't have to go so small. Just make sure you do it right at that root. Make sure you're going back to that product and making sure that you go all the way down that hair shaft. Even I just forgot, so it's okay. Alright, so voila, there you have it. I let it dry overnight. I set it under my dryer. And if you have a dryer, that really is the better practice, is to send it to the dryer and really let that heat just get it super dry. Even if you woke up the next day and styled it, that's all right too. So good luck, Shanillia. I hope that was helpful. Peace.
So this is what my twist looks like. I'm proud, y'all. So yeah, so now I'm gonna just put my scarf on, go to bed, and then I will see you guys tomorrow, and I will show you my twist out. Hi everyone, as you can see, my hair is done, and this is my twist out basically. I really like it. It's really soft. It's very soft, and this is how the curls are looking. So yeah, I will see you guys later when I'm here with my mom, giving some information about how it went on my hair journey. So see you guys later.
Hi guys, so we're back, and this has been a unique moment. Shanillia has done her hair from beginning till end for the first time ever. I must say, for me it was pretty hard watching her do her own thing, not the way I would do it. At one point she literally sent me out of the bathroom, stating that she did not like my energy. And she would prefer me to go away, basically. So that was quite confronting, but I must say she did it. It took her a long time.
No,
I don't know.
I did it really quick.
How long did it take you, honestly?
A few hours.
A couple of hours to wash your hair, but you did really good, definitely for the first time. So I'm really proud of you, honestly.
Thank you, lady.
No, I'm honest. I am really proud of you, honestly. No, I am.
Yeah,
I swear to God, you detangled your own hair, you shampooed, you conditioned, you twisted your own hair. You did it all by yourself. Say it didn't go well, but it's your first time, so obviously it's not gonna go well. Do you think I learned how to do my natural hair at first go? No, I struggled with it for 6 months until I got it right. 6 months. And look at you, 14 years old, no, 13 years old, doing your own hair. I'm really proud of you. And I will be less anxious from now on. Good job. I'm really proud of you. Oh my. So big shout out to Kiyah Wright, Celebrity Hairstylist, for helping Shanillia out doing her first own, totally done it by herself, self-made twist out. We couldn't have done it without you, definitely not. So thank you Head & Shoulders, Royal Oils, and Pantene Gold Series for letting us try this out. We love your products, super moisturizing, as you can tell, and it was so much fun doing this.
Yes.
Thank you.
Bye.